Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to find factors. So we're going to find the factor. Let's find the factors of, how about 12? We're going to find the factors of 12. All right. I'm going to use two different, well, actually I'll use a few different colors of pegs on our pegboard. First of all, I want to find out, is 1 a factor of 12? So first I need to count out 12. I'm going to use this to count out 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so here I have 12 pink pegs. And I'm going to find out if 1 is a factor of 12. A lot of you are probably thinking right now, of course 1's a factor of 12. 1 is a factor of everything. Because of course, even prime numbers have 1 as a factor. And yes, 1 is a factor of 12. Let's find out if 2 is a factor of 12. So I need to count out 12 pegs. I'm going to use blue this time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So now we're going to go by 2's, right? So here is counting out if 2 is a factor of 12. What do you think, boys and girls? As I'm doing this, think in your head, is 2 a factor of 12? And remember, the word factor comes from the word factore, which means to make. Like if you think factory, that's where they make things, right? So we make 12 by multiplying 2 times something, right? So I'm going to write, yes, 1 is a factor of 12. And look, we discovered that 2 is also a factor of 12. Let's keep going. I wonder if 3 is a factor of 12. So again, we have to count out 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, now we're going to count by 3's, right? 1, 2, 3, and another set of 3. So really what I'm asking when I say, is 3 a factor of 12, I'm asking, does 3 go into 12 evenly? It does. Look, 3 goes into 12 evenly. There are 12 and there's nothing left over. It goes in evenly. Let's see if 4 is a factor of 12. So I need to count out 12 again. This time I'm going to use orange. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All right, let's see. Is 4 a factor of 12? Does 4 go into 12? Can we make 12 by multiplying 4 times something? And I know a lot of you friends are going, yes, we already know. 4 is a factor of 12 because there's nothing left over. Let's see if 5 is a factor of 12. So I'm going to count out 12. I think I'll use purple this time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, let's see. Is 5 a factor of 12? Does it go into 12 evenly? So here's 5. Keep on going. Well, it looks like 5 will not go into 12 evenly. Because I have 5 here and 5 here, but I don't have 5 here. And there's 2 just hanging out by themselves. That means 5 is not a factor of 12. Oh, I almost forgot. We have to write down our factors. So let's write 3, 4, but I'm not going to write 5 because 5 is not a factor. What about 6? Is 6 a factor? I can just move these over, can't I? And now I have 6. 6 and 6 make 12. So I would write a 6 right there. Shall we try 7? Who thinks we should try 7? Let's use light blue for 7. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again another set of 7, hopefully. Some of you are already saying nope. 7 is not a factor of 12 because look, I laid out 7 here, but I could not finish the row, so it does not go into 12 evenly. And now, boys and girls, I'm going to tell you a secret. It's not really a very secret. Once you get to the halfway point of your number that you're finding factors of, that's it. There's no more factors except for the number itself. So 6 is half of 12, right? We know that 6 is half of 12 because if we add 6 plus 6, that makes 12. So once we have gotten to 6, there are no more factors except 12. So let's check and see if 12 is a factor. So I'm going to just move these on down. I know that there are 12 because I counted them already. And there it is. 12 is a factor of 12. Now, if you notice something, this is 1 12 times. This is 12 1 time. This is 2 6 times. This is 6 2 times. This is 3 4 times. And this is 4 3 times. What I like to do is make a rainbow with factors. We can do it on the back. So we can say 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. 1 times 12 makes 12. 2 times 6 makes 12. And 3 times 4 makes 12. Those are the factors of 12. They make up the number 12. That's how you find factors. All right, I have added these sheets to your Google file. Go have fun finding out the factors of numbers.